And guys, this is what the evolution of slime is. And if you want to do anything extra, then you could put some glitter. As you can see, I'm doing it now. And make sure to subscribe. And can you comment down below if you think this video was useful for all you slime beginners out there. And thanks. Bye.